We are seeing practical 2, that is about version control with Git. In this, we are going to create a project in a local machine, and then we'll initialize a repository, and we are going to see various steps like adding, committing, tracking files, as well as we are going to see about branches. So the first step we are going to do is we are going to create a folder. I'm giving the folder name as my project. We are going to navigate into it. Now after creating a folder, we are going to initialize Git for this project. Using the command git init. Now the project has been initialized by Git, but the repository is empty. Now we are going to create a text file into this project using the command echo asterisk. We are writing a text as hello git into the folder as hello.txt. Now a file has been created with the text hello git. Now we'll check the status. It shows untracked files because it is not added, right? Now we'll add the file using the command git add dot. Now we'll check the status. Changes to be committed. So now this file has been added, but it is not committed. So this prepares the file for commit. Now we'll commit the file with a message as initial commit added hello text. Now the commit is successful. Now again we'll check the status. It shows nothing to commit, working tree clean. So now there is no files to be committed, everything has been saved. Now we are going to see how to track file changes and view the history. Now first we'll edit the file, that is hello.txt. Using the command echo, this is second line hello.txt. Now the text has been updated into the hello.txt. Now to check the difference, we use the command git difference. Now this shows all the history that of the file. Like first we added a text into the hello.txt, then we updated the file with this is second line. These are all the changes since the last commit. Now we'll again add the file because we have not yet added the file after we updated the text. So we'll add, then we'll commit. Now we added and committed the updates. Now we'll see the commit history. Before we saw the differences before staging and committing the files. Now we'll see the history using the command git log --- one line. It shows the history like first we did an initial commit added hello text, then we did the second line update. From this we get to know that Git keeps a complete timeline of your work. You can see, compare or restore any version anytime. Now we'll work with branches, which is the part 3 of practical 2. Now we'll see how to work with branches because if we want to not make changes in the main branch, we need to create a new branch, and in that we can work without changing the code of the main branch. So the current branch is basically main. It shows as main. Now we'll create a new branch. To create a new branch, the command is git checkout the branch. We are naming it as feature update. So we created a new branch named as feature update, and we have switched to a new branch. Now this command, it also creates and then switch. Now we'll edit the file hello text again echo. Now first I switched to a new branch and then I edited the hello.txt. So these changes will not be seen in the main branch. So that is why most of the developers, when working on a large project, they create new branches and work on it and later on merge the branches if there are no errors. Now we are adding this updates to commit message added a feature. Now after adding and committing, we are going to switch back to the main branch. So use the command git checkout. Master and main are basically the same, but now most of it is called as main. Now to see the difference between the main branch and the new feature branch, we'll use the command git dev feature update. It will show the difference between the main branch and the difference between the feature branch. Like the new feature git branching, this was committed in the second branch, that is feature update. Now we'll see how to merge the changes. Now the changes that I made in the second branch, I want to merge it into my main branch. So first of all, I am on my main branch, git branch, and then I'm going to merge the changes of the feature update into my main branch using the command git merge feature update, which is the name of my new branch. So this is now merging the changes into my main branch. Now to check the merged file, I'll use the command type and my file which has the changes. You'll see the changes or you'll see the text inside the hello.txt file. Hello git, this is second line, new feature git branch. Now we'll connect with GitHub and push the code. So first of all, we have to create a new repository. So we'll go to GitHub. We'll create a new repository. I'll name it as git demo. I'll copy the HTTPS link. And to connect this project to my repository, we'll use the command git remote add origin and this. Now we'll check the branch. Git branch. Now we'll push the code from the local machine to the repository using git push origin to master branch. So now the code has been successfully updated into the repository. You can see in my GitHub that the repository has been updated and you can see the hello.txt file in this repository. So this was practical too. Thank you.